The energy-saving capabilities of fume hoods are largely dependent upon their proficiency to reduce the volume of treated air. Hoods equipped with CAV ventilation exhaust a constant volume of air, regardless of their actual use. Furthermore, with these devices, lowering the sash means increasing face velocity, therefore creating noise and turbulence in the workspace. With variable air volume, or VAV ventilation, the airflow varies according to the position of the sash. When it is lowered, a smaller volume of air is expelled, energy consumption decreases, and comfort is maximized. Typically, a CAV hood requires almost 26,000 cubic meters of air per hour, while a VAV hood only consumes 50% of that number. This can significantly reduce energy costs. The Industry 4.0 approach simplifies maintenance, accreditation, and calibration planning. Preventative maintenance becomes predictable maintenance, which is more sustainable and effective. On-site service activity, unplanned downtime, and the risk associated with using a hood that is not in optimal condition can all be reduced. The app included with Eurotherm's digital Fume Hoods VAV kit offers flexibility for different uses. For example, it simplifies compliance to local safety regulations, which can recommend a specific face velocity or set a fixed number of air changes, depending on the substance being used. The Eurotherm Digital Fume Hoods VAV kit allows you to choose the most appropriate hood to use, perhaps the one with the most effective filters, and easily adapt operating parameters accordingly. At the end of the year, these simple measures can positively impact profitability. Certain countries also provide funding for industry digitization. The Eurotherm Digital Fume Hood VAV kit is a cost-effective, sustainable solution to confidently manage laboratory fume hoods.